You're thinking of selling online and you're thinking of sourcing your products from China, but you're asking yourself, should you get an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you the legal reasons and also give you the factual, in-your-face, entrepreneurial reasons why you might or might not want to do that. Non-disclosure agreements. Somebody asked me about non-disclosure agreements and getting your supplier in China specifically to sign one. Okay, so first up, what the hell is a non-disclosure agreement? Essentially, what it is, it's an agreement not to tell other people about what you're getting manufactured by that factory. Okay, that's essentially what an NDA does. Should you get one? Should you get one? Well, I will give you the entrepreneurial version and the legal version. Legal version first. Legal version, if you are creating a new product, so you've got a mold being created or you're customizing a product in such a way that it is, for all intents and purposes, a new product, then absolutely an NDA and asking a factory to sign an NDA will demonstrate that that you as an entrepreneur are serious. And if the factory will not sign an NDA, it suggests to you that they are not serious about protecting your intellectual property. Okay, legal version. Entrepreneur's version. Sure, get an NDA signed, but in reality, will you ever get to enforce the NDA? Nope, you will not. Litigation in China, when you are in Australia or you are in America or you are not in China, is freaking expensive, because not only will you need a lawyer in the country you are or your business is resident, but you will also need a lawyer in China to do that for you as well. And the cross litigation between the two countries is going to cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. And it will take an inordinate amount of time. And during that time, not only will you not be making any sales, but you'll also be losing money. And so you have to ask yourself, pragmatically, is it worth it? I would suggest to you, it's really not. It's really not. And it is, again, my dad taught me, if somebody is committed to ripping you off, they will find a way to do it. If they're committed to ripping you off, they'll figure out how to do it. It's much, much better to work with people who you trust, Okay, so by all means, get an NDA. It does demonstrate that you are serious about what you're doing. And the fact that a factory will sign it demonstrates that they are at least on the surface serious about protecting your intellectual property for you. But when it comes to that being a useful tool for your business to litigate with, then you really ought to consider whether or not it's actually worth it. And in my opinion, it never, ever is. That was a video from my regular Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 professional e-commerce entrepreneurs from right around the world, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about us and of course come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye.